I'm Forrest Saunders, standing in front of the state capitol here in Tallahassee, Florida. Property taxes, property taxes, property taxes. That's all you're hearing from GOP lawmakers right now as they work to reform property taxes in the Sunshine State. But what about property insurance? Heck, what about insurance in general? That was the topic a few years ago, and for Florida Democrats, it still is the place to reform to fix the affordability crisis. But Republicans just don't seem to be interested. Here's why. It seems Florida's insurance fight is back ahead of 2026, and the parties are miles apart. We keep hearing that it's stabilized, but we also keep hearing that, people are still paying pretty high prices down here.
Yeah, I mean, so when you look at the reforms that we did 3 years ago, clearly the reforms are working.
Florida CFO Blaise Ingoglia sat down with us recently to tout what he sees as big successes due to tort reforms passed over the last few years. Specifically pointing to major auto insurance changes.
There is an excessive profit statute on the books, and Progressive had to give back $1 billion worth of extra profits back to the policyholders on auto policies. State Farm reduction 10%. So we're seeing drastic movement in the auto insurance market.
Ingoglia says homeowners coverage is slower to recover, but insists relief is coming as reinsurance costs fall and 17 new companies enter the state.
Things are looking up here. I just ask for people to continue to be patient on the homeowners insurance market. It's getting better, but what we can't do is go back to what we used to have, or we would have continued having double-digit rate increases over the past couple of years.
But Democrats say families can't wait and that the optimism ignores reality. Floridians continue to feel the squeeze, especially condo owners hit with soaring HOA fees and insurance premiums. Realtor.com says condo prices have dropped more than 8% in a year, driven by higher carrying costs after the Surfside collapse and rising climate risk insurance. The site's annual report shows Florida has 5 of the top 10 markets with the highest property insurance burden, including the highest, Southeast Florida. It's no better for auto insurance. Bankrate shows Florida has the highest average annual premium in the nation at more than $4,100.
Our rates are one of the highest in the entire country, and that is not acceptable. People are struggling to stay in their homes just because of their property insurance alone.
Over the last few months, Democrats have rolled out their own slate of proposals, from tax breaks to storm-proof upgrades to transparency requirements and limits on rate hikes.
We want to make sure that we are approaching the affordability crisis in a way that actually helps families and doesn't further hurt them. So let's look at regulating the property insurance industry.
Driscoll blasted Republican property tax plans, calling them a distraction, confusing for voters, and dangerous for local services like police, parks, and libraries, taking specific aim at the governor.
And he started all of this, and I don't think that he should have. I think if he really cares about Floridians and cares about the affordability crisis, he should address those things like property insurance. He should address those things like housing affordability, and he has failed to do that.
Now, whether or not that Democratic slate of bills actually moves next legislative session, well, we'll have to wait for the gavel to drop. But you've got to remember, they are still super minorities in both chambers, meaning it's going to be difficult to get any of those policies to move without the support of Republicans. That is the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.